angry.
Oh, goodness.
Oh, damn. Dude, that's a nice uppercut.
Get out of the shower, Tim.
Oh god, he's pumped right now. Look at that.
What are you doing? Oh,
That shit hurts against the ear.
we ain't even done shit yet. See, that's why I didn't want to fight you. This would be bad.
Hurry.
You ready? Come on, Tim. Hit him in the face.
You gotta get angry!
Pretend he's your mom or something. Just hit him.
Travis, you think he can beat you?
He's going easier now. Yeah, he didn't hit you yet.
Dude, he just.
I'll do it with one hand by my left
Come
hand.
on, Tim. Get him.
Come on, son.
I'll use one hand.
No, it ain't that. Shit, I can.
You want to use these bucks?